Realme says shipped 5.2 million smartphones in festive season sales last month. Realme claims that it sold 5.2 million smartphones during the festive season days that ended last month, up over 160% compared to last year. Furthermore, the company says that it secured the #1 smartphone brand spot during the festive season on Flipkart. Deep discounts and deals on the Realme phone portfolio enabled this increase in sales. Citing Counterpoint, the company says that it is now the 4th largest smartphone brand in India in Q3 2019, and took the 3rd spot in September 2019. The 5.2 million smartphone sales figure was achieved during the time frame of September 30th to October 31st. During this one-month time frame, Realme hosted 4 Realme Festive Days, and these sales helped in achieving the mega shipments number. Realme also claims to have secured its position as the top 4 smartphone brand in India, citing Counterpoint, as reported last month by the market research in its Q3 2019 India smartphone shipments report. To recall, Counterpoint had found Realme to be the fastest growing smartphone brand globally in Q3 2019. Globally, Realme has recorded 10 million shipments in Q3 2019, 10.2 million as per Counterpoint, and has secured the 7th spot in the top smartphone list. Counterpoint had at the time noted that Realme was the fastest growing smartphone brand. This is especially noteworthy as the global smartphone market has been in decline for several quarters already. Realme is giving tough competition to Xiaomi, which is now a part of the top 5 smartphone brands globally in Q3 2019, according to Counterpoint. Xiaomi managed to sell 31.7 million smartphone units globally in Q3 2019, while Realme managed to ship over 10 million, as mentioned above. Elated by the overwhelming response, Madhav Sheth, CEO, Realme India, said in a statement, "We are delighted to once again emerge as the #1 preferred choice on Flipkart during festive days. Our 5.2 million smartphone sales figure is an actual and credible sellout data, which is different from the usual sell-in numbers, which the other brands have been promoting. Realme offers the most blockbuster products which are high on features, style, and performance, and is available across price segments. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.